In a vast, tranquil sea, a small tern named Tern lived. Tern was not like the other birds. She had a unique gift, the ability to see the essence of things. One day, Tern noticed a dark cloud approaching. The seabirds flew away, but Tern remained, sensing a profound mystery within the cloud. As the cloud drew near, it transformed into a majestic ship. The ship was unlike any Tern had ever seen. Its sails were woven from the wind, its mast from stars, and its hull from the very essence of dreams. The ship's captain, a wise old man, beckoned Tern to join him. Tern hesitated, unsure of the journey's purpose. The captain smiled. "Fear not, Tern. I am here to show you the unseen." Tern decided to embark on the journey. As they sailed, she saw the secrets of the sea and the islands that time had forgotten. She saw the laughter of the waves, the dreams of the fishes, and the sorrows of the whales. They reached an island where the tides never changed. The captain said, "Here, Tern, you can stay. You have seen the unseen. You can share these wonders with the world." Tern looked at the glittering sea around her. She realized she had a choice, to stay in the land of the unseen or to return to her world. Tern chose to return, for she knew that her gift was not just for her, but for all. When Tern returned, she shared her experiences with the other birds. They marveled at her tales, and their hearts were filled with a newfound appreciation for the world they lived in. Tern, with her gift, had shown them the beauty that lay beneath the surface. From that day forward, Tern was not just a tern, but a beacon of wisdom and wonder. She reminded everyone that the world is full of mysteries, and it's up to each of us to seek them out. For in seeking, we find not just a world, but a universe full of beauty and wonder. And so, Tern taught the birds, and the birds taught the fish, and the fish taught the sea, and the sea taught the world. The parable of Tern became a legend, a reminder that the world is more than what we see, and that there is beauty in seeking the unseen.